Hello friends, my name is Vijay from PerePyDu. Welcome back to Python Visuals in Power BI. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use conditional formatting in Python Visuals in Power BI using a script of 4 or 5 lines. Also, I'm going to show you the same scenario in default Power BI Visuals using conditional formatting through DAX. So I suggest to watch the entire video to understand both the concepts, conditional formatting in Python Visuals as well as in regular default Power BI Visuals. Also, I'm coming up with many videos on Python Visuals. So to get notified, please do subscribe and hit the bell button if you have not yet subscribed, and keep watching. Before adding a Python visual, let me explain you the problem statement. I have taken a sample data which is containing two tables. One is revenue table, another is monthly rent. Revenue is a fact table, monthly rent is a dimension table having dimension branch. I have a measure also created using SumX function. Now I would like to show a view revenue by branch. Let me add a table visual, and then in this in the field wells, let me add branch and then total revenue. Now I can see the view revenue by branch. There is a 787.5 million of revenue which is distributed among all the branches. So each branch is sharing some value. Now I would like to show another view, that is what is the percentage of revenue share by each branch against this 787. For that you have two ways mainly. First way is add the total revenue into the table visual in the field well, so that you have two columns, same column repeated. Selecting the second column, drop down, show value as percentage of grand total. So this get converted into percentage. Now if I sort this in a descending order, the Coimbatore branch is sharing highest share of revenue against 787, that is 5.63. Now here the problem statement can be explained. I need to add a column chart or a bar chart, and where I will add a different color for those branches which are sharing the revenue more than 4.5% and other color to remaining branches. For that I am using the Python visual. So let me add a Python visual. So to add a Python visual, I need to select Python, the py symbol, and then the Python visual will be added. We need to enable the script, and you must have the Python installed in your PC. Now let me add the required fields to the field well, that is branch and then revenue, total revenue. And if you look at the Python script editor, there is a data frame with branch and total revenue, and it has been named as dataset. So I am going to use the dataset and its elements. So before adding the elements and other items, I need to import a library, that is a package called import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT, because PLT can be used easily. Now I need to define the x-axis and y-axis. X equal branch. Branch is in the data set, so data set branch, and y equal, that is total revenue, which is again in the data set, that is total revenue. Now I need to use these two variables in a chart. If I want a vertical bar chart, I need to use plt.bar and then x comma y. If I want a horizontal bar chart, I need to use bar h. So let us first start with bar and then plt.show to get the chart. And if I go to this button and if I click on that, you can see the column chart is created. So vertical bar chart. If I want this chart to be horizontal, so in the code instead of bar, I will type bar h, and if I run this code, I will see the bar chart, that is horizontal bar chart. Now I need to apply the conditional formatting. To apply the conditional formatting, I need to know the logic. Let me look at the table visual. I have total value is 787 and individual values are split across the branches. Total revenue is defined as Y in the code. So each individual branch value equal to Y and 787 million is equal to sum of Y. So Y is less than sum of Y multiplied by 4.5%. That means any value less than 4.5% of the total value should be considered as low, and then remaining all should be considered as high. The same logic I am translating into a code. So let me define two variables. One is low equal that is Y less than sum of Y multiplied by 0.045, that is 4.5%, and high is anything other than that. So Y greater than or equal sum of Y multiplied by 0.045. Now I need to apply this into the bar variables, that is X and Y. Now we need to have two different bars, two different categories. One is high, another is low. For that I need to have this line twice. So in one line it will be bar horizontal X low, also Y low, X high and Y high. So I need to just look at the variable I have created here. I think both are matching, and then if I run the code, I will get the different colors for each bars. Now let me run the code. Now this is showing the different colors. Whatever the values more than 4.5%, that means from if I look at the visual, from Coimbra towards up, all are more than 4.5%. Those are showing a different color, and remaining all are showing different color. We can actually customize the color as well. To add the relevant colors, that is where the values more than or equal to 4.5% of the total revenue, green, and where the values less than 4.5% of the total revenue, red. For that I need to go to this statement, and then I need to add the attribute color equal Indian red, and this color, because it is high, color equal medium sea green. And then if I run this code, the codes will be changed accordingly. If you wish to know more about the color names, the link is given in the description, where from you can get the code names, and all the code names will be like this. So you can use the natural language and you can use them in the code. Now I need to convert this chart to vertical bar chart. To get this as vertical bar chart, I can just remove the H, that means bar H is horizontal, bar is vertical, and if I run the code, this chart will become vertical. But the problem, the x-axis is actually cluttered. To make it, I need to just run this code again after making it big, but still the names are not good. For that I need to type the code plt.x ticks, these are ticks, and rotation equal vertical, and you can give a color equal gold. And if I run the code, the names will be vertical now and it will be accordingly shown. Gold is not good, I think I can say blue. Now let me explain how to apply the same rule of conditional formatting on a default Power BI visual. For that, I need to create a DAX function. First, let me select the table and then remove the required unnecessary fields, that is percentage of total revenue, and then let me convert into a bar chart. Now I need to create the measure. The measure should be showing me the percentage of each revenue, of each branch revenue. So this should be total revenue by total revenue, but that is not possible because by default when you add a total revenue to any visual, that gets filtered. So I need to now stop the total revenue to get filtered, and it has to become as only that 787 million what we were seeing earlier. So it has to be a total value only. For that, the measure will be like this. Let me add a new measure. The measure name is, let me increase the size, and then measure name is color condition equal. First I need to create a variable to make to get the percentage of each individual branch to the total revenue. Percentage equal divide. I need to divide total revenue by total revenue, but I need to convert the second total revenue as a total, not filtered. For that, calculate total revenue, evaluate the total revenue by considering all the branches in the respective table, so that this will become a grand total and it will not be get filtered. When you add into a table also, it will not get filtered. I need to use this variable return, and then if percentage less than 0.045, then it has to be red, else it has to be green, so that the conditional formatting can be taken place. But this has to be applied on the chart. So let me get into the chart, and then let me get into the properties of the chart, that is configuration options, format properties, and then go to the data colors, select the conditional formatting, and in the conditional formatting rules, change the option format by field value, because we have to use the the DAX function. For that, I need to select the based on field option, and there I am selecting the color condition. And if I apply this, my chart will have different colors based on the DAX function. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any comments, feedback, questions, please mention them in the comment section. I'm coming up with a new video where I'm going to discuss about tornado or butterfly chart in Python visuals in Power BI. To get notified, do subscribe, keep watching, keep sharing. Thank you very much.